Hello again. I'd like to talk about thoughts and intent, and I like to play with metaphors. Have you ever been in a playground, whether you were with your own children, your grandchildren, maybe a nephew or a niece? Look at a playground. You'll find some slides, some teeter-totters, all kind of different ladders to climb on, some swings, different things. I said I like metaphors. Thoughts are the playground of your mind. So how do we use them? I'm talking about conscious thoughts here that will eventually lead to an intention, to an intent. Remember, shooting that arrow, that intent, comes from the thought that we have. So let's say that you like to go on a vacation. You do for a vacation. So you want to relax and start to play with your thoughts. The thought of going on a cruise. How would that be? Play with your thought, with the images. How would that be to go on a cruise? Would I like it? Would I not like it? Personally, cruise has never attracted me. I like to go on one just to see what it is, but not really for me now. If I start thinking about going back in the Alps where I used to walk and trek around, ooh, that is something that will definitely perk my attention and my vibration will get to a higher level. I really like to do that. I also like to go on tropical beaches. So play with your thought that vacation, that was an intention. Then the playground of your mind is all the different thoughts you can have. And from those different thoughts, choose one or complexity of one. That's your intention. Like going on a vacation to the beach. Set your intention, put your arrow, let it fly. That's where you want to land, on a beach. How do you go from here to there? It's going to pull you towards your goal. Intentions and thoughts can be trained just like muscles. Example, when you go to the store, set your intentions on what you're going to do in the store. You may be in your car and thinking, well, today I have time and I have money, so my intention going to the store is just to look around for new products. But you can also set your intention on deciding today I'm going to the store and I'm going to buy one or two things, those specific things. I'm going to go in and I'm going to come out. This is to train your mind to obey your thoughts, your intention. So try it on different things this coming week, and I'll talk to you soon.